Cosmic wings is delicious. These are what I've been snacking. Worth it though, cause these Cheetos wings slapping. And now my favorite shirt, if not my favorite napkin.
I am so excited. I finally can tell you guys that Cosmic Wings and Uber Eats have combined forces to bring you this amazing Cheeto-filled menu. So let's sit down for a taste test and see how it is. Hey my little love bugs, it is ToshPointFro here, and today we're doing something a little bit different. Guys, if you saw the beginning of the video, you know that Chester Cheeto came over here and brought me all these delicious Cosmic Wings. Guys, Cosmic Wings is a new ghost restaurant. Pretty much what that means is you can only get it on Uber Eats, but they have Flamin Hot and the regular crunchy Cheeto flavors. They have boneless wings, bone-in wings, and cheese curds. If you don't know what a cheese curd is, think mozzarella sticks, but better. Okay, so this is the regular Cheeto. Oh, and this is a cheese curd, and I'm getting crumbs everywhere. Okay, I did it to be cute, with all the faces, but seriously, because I knew the cheese pool. I knew the cheese pool was going to be there. So yeah, if you haven't figured out by now, we are going to be doing a complete taste test because I need to let you know how these all are. Now, we already obviously did our regular Cheeto, so let's go with, we did regular Cheeto cheese curds. Now we're going to go with a Cheeto wing. You get the first bites. There you go. Okay, yeah. Those are good. The cheese ones are good. And I guess I should be dunking these things in ranch. All right, next let's try the Flamin Hot. You know you got to do the ranch with that. That's just trademark ranch. And you know what's crazy? It's because I eat them all the time, but actually being able to order them and getting a twist on the flavor, oh my God. Okay, so here's the thing. So they fry their wings and then they coat them in sauce and then they add the crumble, the Cheeto crunchies on them. I see what y'all doing. That's great. I want to try those Asian rings. I mean, I'm always here for the Cheeto. Always here for the Cheeto. However, I like a saucy wing too. I like a little sauce. Okay. Oh, I didn't comment on the waffle fries. But I like waffle fries. I don't know if I'm necessarily biased. I just spilled water all over myself. But I love waffle fries. I feel like there's more area for crunch, and that's important to me. Oh my God, girls, drink your water. Clear skin. Excuse me. Drink your water, ladies. Okay. Next. Voice cracked. All right. Excuse me, I was actually trying to get the burp out, but the wing looked really good too. Oh, I'm sorry I burped on your wing. I probably made it taste really good though. Those are good. Oh my God. Okay. All right. Okay. I want another one. Listen, I mean, those are good too. Don't get me wrong. But y'all know I like sweet stuff. And especially if you're getting them for your kids. I mean, don't get me wrong. They got a little tang on them. They got a little, so, I mean, but they're not spicy. I want to describe these to you correctly. So they're like they're not teriyaki, but they're sweet and they have just a little a teriyaki flavor to them, but they're not teriyaki. Like, at least not the teriyaki that you would expect. I don't know, guys. They're I love a wing though. I mean, don't you just love wings? I feel like we always have this battle, but I do want to know, yet again, are you a bone in or a bone out kind of wing person? Because, I mean, I feel like we're all wing enthusiasts. What's the right word? I don't know. Don't you hate when that happens? I wanted to sound smart. But it's just important for you to just have the wing how you want it. I like my wings the right size with the right amount of sauce and everything on them. And I just want to kind of bite the bone a little bit when I'm biting into the bone. I mean, when I'm biting into the wing. It's important. I don't know. It's satisfying. Okay, so next we're doing the boneless. This is the regular Cheeto. I was looking for a ranch that was already open. Oh, I probably should try without the ranch too. That's crunchy. Okay. They got so much cheese into these. Like, don't get me wrong, the Flaming Hot, great. But the thing is, I was never able to really get the cheese flavor into my food. And they mastered it. Okay, this is, oh my God, that was so good. Okay, this is the Flaming Hot Cheeto Boneless. I had to get all the flavors. You know, I feel like certain food, you're good when you can just be like, boom, flavor hits your tongue. But then other things, like the flavor develops. Like you... Excuse me. Oh my gosh. I drank way too much water way too fast, but it was good. Guys, when they brought these, cutest thing I've ever seen. I just like the big ones. I feel like you got a better cheese pull in you. Oh my God. These are good. Better cheese pull. Okay, so now we have the full menu here. What would I choose? Honestly, it's all good. But like, what is going to be my Cosmic Wings order? That is the question. Okay, hear me out. This is just me, but I want you to comment down below and tell me what you would order if you like were going to order from Cosmic Wings. Well, you're going to. I'm sure you're going to try this because you're going to want to eat on this episode with me. But still, I'm going to order these Asian wings, some fries, because obviously, like, you have to get fries with everything that you buy. They're great. Definitely the hot Cheeto cheese curds. These cheese curds are good too. But there was something about the way it hit my tongue. There was something about how the hot Cheeto one hit my tongue. I want to relive that. It was hot. What's that? I can't help it. I can't do anything. I just learned my lesson. Bite the cheese curds. Do not pop them in your mouth. That was so much cheese. Oh my God. I just chewed for so long I had to cut the video and edit it so you weren't watching me chew for that long. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're being serious now. Back to the taste test. If I was going to order from Cosmic Wings, which looks like I will be, I would get these Cheeto wings because they are, even the boneless is good. It's just, y'all know me. I'm a bone-in kind of girl. I want the bones, baby. But definitely the regular Cheeto wings because those are fire. These are a nice twist. And I know a lot of you guys want to try the hot Cheeto wings, but you haven't had the opportunity to. So, hello. Great opportunity. Guys, this was amazing. Okay, so you got to tell me. Comment down below when you order your Cosmic Wings. Shout out to Cosmic Wings for sponsoring this video, by the way. What are you going to get? I need to know. Comment that in the comments. Also, guys, remember, Cosmic Wings are only available via Uber Eats. Now, as a special treat for you, Uber Eats is going to be offering free delivery from February 17th to March 3rd and March 8th to March 21st. All right, guys, that is all for today. Be sure to like this video if you haven't already. Share it with a friend or a family member or both. I would love that. And be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. And yeah, I love you guys. And until we eat again, bye, guys.